Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your automation with Make.com for posting workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your automation on Make.com, log in to your Make.com account. Locate the workflow you want to verify. Click on the workflow to open it. In the workflow editor, review each module you have configured. Check that all connections between modules are properly established. Next, validate the fields used in each module. Make sure that the data types match the expected inputs. After confirming the fields, click on the Run Once button in the top right corner. Select the appropriate scenario to test your workflow. Ensure that all required data is present before running the test. Once you click Run Once, monitor the execution process. Check for any error notifications in the execution history. If an error occurs, click on the relevant module to see the error message. Adjust the module settings according to the error message provided. Repeat the Run Once process until you achieve a successful execution. Once your workflow runs successfully, review the output data. Ensure that the output matches your intended result. If the output is correct, your workflow has been successfully verified. If adjustments are needed, make the necessary changes to the configuration. After making changes, run the workflow again. Confirm that everything works as expected. Your automation is now verified and ready for regular use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.